Hello everybody, welcome back to Black Country Diecast. First restoration for a while, because like I said in that little pickup video, I just haven't had time. I've been that bloody busy, just haven't had time. So, but I'm determined I'm going to get one out this weekend. So anyway, no further ado, this is what we'll be working on today. And this is a Volkswagen T4 van by Welly. Can't say I've ever heard of them. It's not in that bad a nick, but I just think it could look a lot better. I've already drilled out the rivet and it clips together, so no need for screwing. This back bit is a bit of a nightmare to get off. I definitely don't want to snap the base. Oh dear, oh, there we go. So nice, definitely a nice body, but the fire department's faded. There's the badge, so I'll get that in the paint stripper. It's a glass piece. I'm not sure if that's, I don't think that's cracked, but we can't see that anyway. That just needs a bit of a clean. Body, get rid of those wheels, clean up the interior. That should just clip off. I'll worry about that in a minute. But first things first, let's get this in some stripper. Hopefully there'll still be enough. There'll still be enough in here. Let's add some extra. No nonsense stripper. Give that a little mix. And just pop him over there, and I'll leave him to strip off, as it were. Alright, let's get these plastics cleaned up. He says he can't get them undone. Alright, I'll worry about that in a bit. It's very. I don't want to pull it apart and snap it. So, oh, there we go. Yeah, it needs a good clean up. These wheels are held in by nothing. That's nice and easy. I'll put them in the spares, I don't really ever use them, but see if I can strip this chrome off. Don't know how it was going to react in that paint stripper, but we'll give it a try. And then get these plastics cleaned up. Right, there we go, some hot soapy water, get them plastics in. Black Country and proud. Get that in there. Let them soak for a minute. I'm going to stand here and look out my kitchen window at my dog going absolutely mental. Fantastic stuff. I would show you, but then you'd see what a state my back garden's in, and no one needs to see that. So let's get these cleaned up. Usual malarkey, give them a good scrub. In fact, oh, you can probably hear the dog now and their clippity clops. What are you saying, Nala? What are you saying? I'll give them a bit of a soak. You don't need to see me cleaning that, you ain't interested in that. So, I'll come back when the old pal over there, he's all stripped off, and then we'll see what this base is doing. We'll go from there. Well, Carmy, this has been in bloody paint stripper all carrying morning, and still it ain't done. Well, now having to go through all these little bits with a cocktail stick to get them off. I've used my normal paint stripper, I've used Nitromores, nothing is getting these last few bits off. I think I'm going to have to invest in some caustic soda, but you don't need to sit here watching me do this. So I'll come back when we're in our super high-tech spray booth. Do you want to not jump on me, dog? Yeah, it's a lovely toy you've got, but I don't need to see it right now. Yeah, once I've got this sorted and we're in a super high-tech spray booth, we'll get some primer on it and then start painting this bad boy. So, I'll see you in a minute. Right, that's the best I'm going to do it. I can't get those bits of red out in the gaps, so it is what it is. So I'm going to use a fine surface primer. Make sure it's fine so we don't lose that detail, especially if there's already line paint in there. But let's give it a go. There we go. Makes me wish I could move it around. Ooh, I've gone a little bit overboard on that side, and that's our bugger. Might have to redo that. I'm an idiot. Oh, once I've sorted that out, I'll come back and sort its colour out, but I might have to redo that because I'm a bit of an idiot. Right, like a complete little weapon, I completely forgot to show painting the orange bit. So I'm doing is I'm giving it an offset stripe of orange. Hopefully the white paint I've got will cover the orange. Didn't really think it through, but we'll see how it goes. Done all this in about 20 minutes or so, using the oven to bake on the paint, and it's working an absolute treat. So use this Tamiya masking tape and give it a nice offset stripe. Start at the back. Oh, helps if I can see. There we go. There we go. That's about as straight as I'm going to get it. Friend. Stick it down properly at the back. Oh. And I'm just going to give this little bit of the bonnet a rub. The paint's scuffed slightly. Just give it a little rub with this sanding pad just to get that out. There we go. Right, so now's the moment of truth. Let's get the white. Oops. Warming it up before spraying it, and the water's got in there. What an idiot. Right, wish me luck, and let's see how it goes. Okay, that's covering quite nicely to start with. I'm going to leave that first coat to dry off. I'll stick another couple of coats on, and then when it's all dry, we'll find some nice wheels out and we'll put it all back together, and we'll see what it looks like. See you in a little bit. Okay, the painting is done. Not gonna lie, it's not the best job I've ever done, but seemed a bit of the paint crept under the masking tape, but it's not too bad. I've tried touching up at the back there, but I just haven't got anything thin enough to get into the gap. But I like it. Giving the interior a matte black. The windscreen has been cleaned up, nice and clear. The base, it was chrome, but I don't have any chrome paint or chrome pen, so I've just gone for silver. And then the wheels, some nice black rims, and some Pirelli P0 tyres. I think they look very nice. So I'm going to put this back together, and then we'll have the final reveal. Okay, I've put it all back together. Clipped it nicely, I haven't had to glue it, screw it, anything. And here it is. I think the black wheels look really nice. Looks a lot better. I do have some decals to go on this. Nothing major, just some decals of some gaming type things. I might put it on at the end of the video. You can see offset stripe down the middle. There's a few bits need touching up, but I'm quite happy. And then just nice and white down the back again. Could do with touching up there a bit, but I don't have anything small enough to get in there. There we go. One Volkswagen T4 Transporter, restored, customised, and looking a lot nicer. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you again soon. And as always, ta-ra a bit.